I'll read the blue lines and you'll read the red lines out loud. No pressure if you make mistakes. Just keep going and enjoy the flow. Ready? Let's begin. Now we are at a restaurant. You walk in and go up to the counter. The cashier greets you. Hi there, what can I get for you today? Sure, just the burger, or do you want the combo? Great. Small, medium, or large? Just $1.50, and you get a lot more. Nice. And for your drink, Coke, Sprite, or Fanta? Got it? Everything on it? No problem. No onions. For here or to go. Your total is $12.50. Tap or insert your card whenever you are ready. The screen will prompt you for a tip. Thank you. Any sauces? Ranch, ketchup, honey mustard, barbecue. Perfect. Your number is 24. We'll call it when your order is ready. A few minutes later. Order 24. No onions. Large Sprite. Large fries. And barbecue sauce. I'm so sorry, that's my bad. I'll have them make you a fresh one. Won't take too long. Really sorry about that. Nope, fountain drinks are free refills. You can just help yourself at any time. Straight down the hall, turn left at the end. You can't miss it. Of course, enjoy your meal. And our next step is grocery store. You walk in and a store employee approaches. Hi there, need help finding anything? We do. Any particular brand or just looking for whatever's good? Aisle 5, right next to pasta. You can't miss it. Yes, fresh herbs are at the produce section, all the way at the back on the left. My pleasure. Now we are at the checkout. Hi, did you find everything okay? Great. Do you have a membership card with us? Sure, go ahead. What's the number? Got it. Find you. Plastic or paper bags? And do you need help getting everything to your car? Alright, your total is $28.75. Take your time. All done. Here's your receipt. Let me check. I'm really sorry. I'll take that off right now. Of course, sorry for the mix-up. Now, a different visit. Now you are using the self-checkout machine. An employee is nearby. Everything going okay over here? Don't worry. That happens all the time. It's not anything you did. Let me reset it for you. It just acts up sometimes. Yeah, it means it stops working properly for no reason. Just like your phone freezes out of nowhere. There we go, all fixed. Try scanning your item now. You're welcome. Have a great day. Now, our next stop is airport. You arrive at the check-in counter. Good morning. Where are you headed today? Sure thing. Passport, please. Thank you. Checking any luggage today? Go ahead and place it on the scale for me. It's a little bit over the weight limit. About 2 kilos over. Of course, take your time. Perfect. That's fine now. Any seat preference? Let me check. I'm afraid all the window seats are taken. I can give you a middle seat for now. Row 22, seat B. Here's your boarding pass. Boarding starts at 2:45 at gate B12. Be there 15 minutes early. Safe travels. Now we are at the security. Good morning. Back on the belt, please. Laptop out. It needs its own tray. Shoes and belts off too. Liquids in that small bag over there. Go ahead and walk through. It beeped. Anything in your pockets? No problem. Pop them in the tray and walk through again. All clear. Have a safe flight. Now we are on the plane. You board the plane. A flight attendant greets you. Welcome aboard. Boarding pass? You are in seat 22B. That's the middle seat, a few rows down on the left. Good news. The passenger in the window seat next to you didn't make the flight. So 22A just opened up. Would you like to move over? Of course, go right ahead. Let me know if you need anything during the flight. Enjoy your flight. Now we are at the baggage claim. You land in New York and wait at the baggage carousel. That's the moving loop that carries passengers' bags so everyone can pick them up, but your baggage never shows up. Can I help you? I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a baggage tag? And can you describe your bag? Understood. We'll locate it right away. You don't need to wait here. We'll send you an email with the updates. We'll do our best to get it to you quickly. Sorry for the trouble. Now, the last stop. We are at the doctor's office. You walk in and approach the front desk. Good morning. Do you have an appointment today? Let me look you up. Yes, I see you here. Please fill out this form. It should only take a minute. And can I see your insurance card? Oh, here you go. Bring the form back when you're done. The doctor will be with you shortly. You hand in the form and take a seat. A few minutes later, the doctor is ready for you. Right this way. Now we are with the doctor. You enter the room and the doctor comes in. Hello, I'm Dr. Miller. What brings you in today? I'm sorry to hear that. How long has been this going on? And is the pain mild, moderate, or severe? Any cough? Any fever? That's okay. I'll check now. Open your mouth wide for me, please. Your throat looks quite inflamed. That means red and swollen. And you do have a slight fever around 100. Not high, but it's there. Could be a few things. Let me take a quick look at first. I want to run a quick strep test. Strep throat is a bacterial infection. If you have it, we'll need antibiotics. If it's just viral, a regular virus, just rest and water will do the trick. I'll gently swab back of your throat. It's over in seconds. Good news, the test came back negative for strep. No bacterial infection. It is. This is most likely a viral infection. Your body will fight it off on its own. Rest, lots of water, and time. Yes, for pain relief you have two main options, ibuprofen or paracetamol. Just ask for over-the-counter pain relief, and warm liquids like tea or soup will help soothe your throat. Since the test is negative, an antibiotic will not help. Usually 5 to 7 days, but if things get worse, especially fever climbs, come back and see me. Of course, take care. That's a wrap on today's episode. You just practiced 4 real-life situations. A restaurant, a grocery store, an airport, and a doctor's office. Now, I want to hear from you. Did you enjoy this format? Was it useful? Would you like more episodes like this one? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If the answer is yes, subscribe. New episodes every week. Keep practicing, keep flowing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.